What's up, y'all? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, and WeLightStuffUp.com. Out here in our shop today, I want to tell you about something really exciting. We're now offering training services. So if you'd like to come and learn how to add Christmas lights to your existing business or start it up completely from scratch, we'd love to have you come out and spend a couple days with us. It's $1,000 for 2 days of training. We'll do some classroom stuff, do a good bit of hands-on, do inside wraps, outside wraps, roof line, get to use the goat in person. Kind of help you learn some stuff with pricing, sales, worksheets, and everything like that. Just be able to give you a real quick look into what you need to do, some of the tools and equipment that you're going to need to be able to be successful in lighting. Hopefully with this, the hands-on training, you'll be able to then finish the job, what we've done with the training, and then be able to turn around right away and start selling. Be able to have a better idea. We go through inside wraps, outside wraps, doing trees with 4 or 5 strands, doing them with 10 to 15, so you can really see that difference. To be able to better understand that, wrapping bushes, small. I've got a couple bushes on my property that are 6 to 8 strands just to do a basic wraparound. So on these, you can kind of see the difference, get you to be able to price out right away and be able to know what you're doing instead of having to go through 8, 10 estimates and installs before you really have a good grasp of things. The cost for the 2-day training is $1,000 for one person. If you're bringing any additional people, it's $750 per additional person if you've got a whole bunch of people. And we'll be making this a little bit wider availability next year. But for right now, the training is going to be September 20th and 21st here at our shop in Delmar, Maryland. We do have a local airport here in Salisbury. It flies to Philly and Charlotte, so if you've got access to get to there, or you can go to BWI, DC, rent a car, drive down. We'll cover your meals while you're down here. Probably do a group dinner on Monday evening. Breakfast and lunch is covered. And that's pretty much it. If you've got any questions or are interested, give me a call, 443-880-2146. I know timing is getting close to the start of the season. It's still not too late to get trained and get that ball rolling so you can have a better first year than you would if you decided just to jump in without any preparation. So, or you can also email WeLightStuffUp@gmail.com. So thanks, have a great day, and Merry Christmas. See y'all.